Hey, today I'm going to show you how to edit an existing GIF in Photopea. All frames on separate layers. As you can see, each layer starts with _a_. You have to left it like this. It's very important. Okay, now we can simply add new layers or change existing one. I'm going to duplicate layer and now I will make it gray, black and white by reducing saturation. But what else can we do? We can also merge two GIFs together. So let's open the first one and the second one. Here I got 4 frames, 4 layers. I just need to select them and drag to the first GIF. Now I'm going to transform them to fit the new size. Okay, that's better. I think I will have to reduce the number of layers on the cut side. Okay, I think we are ready to export our new merged GIF.